Sup everybody, it's me, Lil Bo. Today we're gonna do some cooking. So these are the things you're gonna need for what I'm gonna make today. So what I'm gonna make today is a grilled cheese sandwich, right? The way I like to make it. So what you're gonna need is some bread. You're gonna need cheese. Now for this sandwich, I got cheese. I got ball cheese. Yeah, this cheese ball. Ball cheese good, man. You got some nuts in it, and it's in ball form. It's cheese, got sour cream, ranch dressing in it, little Tabascos, some cheddar, stuff like that. That's gonna be good. We got this. This is turkey. This is actually from the holidays. And you're gonna need some eggs. And I like to keep my eggs in a bag with some water in it. So what you're gonna do, you need to get yourself some sort of something to put this on, right? So first thing first, you're gonna crack your egg. Just hold on a second. There you go. Oh man, this egg already started to cook, man. What the hell that? Look at that. Oh. Alright, well, we gonna use it, whatever, man. Yeah, it smells okay. That good, man. Well, this man changed up a little bit. So what you gonna do, man? You're gonna take your cheese, and you're gonna take it out the cheese protection plastic that they got on here. Yeah. So yeah. Alright, cool. So I ain't gonna put it on this because that nasty. So I'll just put it right on the counter, man. They clean. They ain't clean. I don't care, man. You wanna take your cheese ball cheese, get some of that out there like that. Mush it. Get all in there, yeah? Get all over that cheese like that, man. So basically what you do when you make a cheese sandwich inside a cheese sandwich, you use your cheese as the bun, you know what I'm saying? So you're gonna take this one like this. Okay. There you go. So then you're gonna come over here with me. And these are cast iron skits. Now I like to use these for things like cooking. You can also use them for use them to lay stuff down if you need to, because they're real heavy. If you don't break into your house, you can get one of these and whack one on the head. If you're strong enough, you just right in the head, they gonna die and stuff. So turn this on. Now you're gonna let that heat up a bit, you know what I'm saying? Because you gotta be able to take the bread, put it on the top of this here, and it's gonna get the butter in there. It's gonna crisp it up and stuff, man. All right, we'll be back in a minute once that heats up. And welcome back. So the skillet over there is heating up. You know what I'm saying, dog? So now what you gonna do, man? You gonna take your butter and you cut a little piece off. You gonna break it up into little pieces like this to go on the breads. It's a very important step right here. You need to do this right. All right, yeah. Cut some more of this shit here. Get this stuff back on here. Right there. Right there. Hell yeah, man. Fuck. This shit gonna be fucking fire, man. Say. It's gonna be like my latest track, dog. Fire, man. The song not called Fire, man. It's gonna be fire. Sorry, that was confusing. I don't normally write songs about firemen. But I could, you know what I'm saying? So now you're gonna transport. Get that in there, actually. Now you're gonna transport this over here. You're gonna go right over here. You're gonna put this on. You're gonna put this on top of your cast iron skillet, just like that. Now you're gonna hear sizzle. That sizzle means that the butter doing its job by being fire. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you can push down on that. You touch it. You can just kind of push on that like in a lady movie. You know, like you on a date and you just got one booby real flat. She shit out or something. And that's enough, really. You don't want it to be too much more than that, you know what I'm saying? Because this is the next step here. So you take this, you just pop it down there, you got, damn man, I don't know what I'm plate. Get yourself a plate. And what you're gonna do here, you're gonna take this, here, you're gonna put it on the bottom bun. Now you're gonna come over to the microwave. You're gonna put it on for 20 seconds. And you wait for 20 seconds. We halfway there, folks. Alright. 4, 3, 2, Hell yeah, done, man. Look at that. Look at that cheese. Just now, just chopping up, man. You touch that. My nasty fingernails, look at that. Now, this is the next important step here. You take. I don't know that pizza too big. You don't want to get yourself too big a pizza. That's important. So then you take this meat and this meat juice, and then you take your egg, and you want to just mush it on there like that. Yeah, like that. Then come back over to the microwave, and you do it for just 10 seconds. You just want it to be just a little warm in there. You let that go, then you gotta get yourself my favorite ingredient of all time, real ass mayo. Then take a little bit of mayo, put that right in the middle like that. Alright, and now the bun all done and shit, you know what I'm saying? Look at that. Oh man, that's good stuff right there. Then you are not quite ready to eat. One shit. Now you ready to eat. Oh. That's a good ass sandwich, man. Thanks for cooking with Bo.